like this one. This area is super hot during the summertime. I think someone already been there inside, probably some thieves. Well, it could be really nice house, but yeah, I mean, because I was driving nearby, I thought I can show you this place. It is something unusual for this channel, but yeah, but it's nice. And the town is called Koprivshtitsa, and Koprivshtitsa is known from very well preserved Bulgarian architecture. So once you come and visit the town, you can feel like of kinda in 18th or 19th century, and you can enjoy the really beautiful Bulgarian architecture from that period. So you know, in the town there are regulations, of course, so you can't build the way you want like in the rest part of the Bulgaria. And yeah, today is 3rd of March, so that's Bulgarian public holiday. So therefore there are lots of people, so that's not the best place I want to be today, but well, I thought since I'm there, yeah, why not? I can show you that, and I hope you enjoy this short video and the area around, because Koprivshtitsa has a lot of beautiful mountains and wild forest, so there is plenty places to discover around. And yeah, I think that's very important point once you visit the Bulgaria, just to learn something more about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I see you later.
Golden mornings, open roads, no more worries, no more fear, just you and me, the sky so clear. Got no map, but that's alright, we'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, travel with me. Every sunset in your eyes feels like home, feels so right. Travel with me, oh travel with me, over the seas, wild and free. Come on, travel with me across the sea.
something worth to add, that you know, the houses you see around Koprivshtitsa, that's the way almost entire Bulgaria looked like before. So beautiful. So the houses I shown you in the previous episode, from these houses that are basically ruins, once they looked more or less like this. And yeah, so you will have, you know, you can compare, you can see the difference, you know, how big, you know, how everything changes across the time. So, what do you think about Koprivshtitsa? Well, personally, I think it is a really nice place. It's good to see, you know, how traditional architecture looked like, you know. So it gives you kind of an idea, you know, maybe like the way you would like to renovate your house to fit, you know, the environment or fits the culture. This one, I think, is one of the most common style that you can find in Bulgaria. Of course, you know, there are many differences, but again, you know, you can see the contrast from what I've seen, what I've shown you, you know, in the previous episodes. Yeah, most of these houses were really beautiful before, but well, you know. So yeah, I'll try to visit a couple of more places like this. Of course, on my way through abandoned villages, and I hope you enjoyed this episode, and see you in next one. Go across the bush. Yeah, don't ask me where I'm going, because I don't know where I'm going. It looks pretty steep here. Or two, it won't be possible. Why? I have to walk there. But I will have to check the map, although it is not quite accurate.